Welcome to Dubai Daily, your essential morning briefing on Dubai's real estate market. This is episode 41 for the week of December 22nd to the 27th. This podcast is brought to you by Parag Kundalwal, founder and CEO of Consulta, a Dubai-based real estate consulting and global capital advisory firm.
Good morning, Daniel. Over the past 2 weeks, we've done a deep dive into Dubai's incredible 2025 market performance. We covered everything from record transactions to lessons learned, and even a 2026 investment framework.
Exactly. So today, we're shifting focus to the here and now, the unique holiday week market dynamics, and the strategic opportunities that present themselves during this traditionally quieter period.
Let's start with the numbers. December's first 3 weeks have really continued the strong momentum from November. Year to date, we're looking at over 200,000 transactions, and the final 2025 total value is now projected to exceed an impressive AED 670 billion.
That's a significant jump from the AED 624 billion we saw through November. This year-end closing urgency creates some fascinating market dynamics. You have buyers motivated by tax planning or golden visa applications, and sellers who become more flexible on terms to finalize their own financial plans.
And developers join the mix with year-end promotions to meet annual sales targets. It all creates a compressed, efficient environment for serious parties. While the final week sees fewer transactions as offices close, the deals negotiated now often close in early January.
It's a strategic window. It's for those investors willing to stay active, while many others are distracted by the holidays. This really comes down to understanding the psychology at play.
You're right. Any buyer active this week is typically a serious one with a clear timeline. They face less competition from casual browsers. We also see many international buyers visiting Dubai, combining vacations with property exploration. They often have liquidity ready and can move very quickly.
And on the seller side, a property that's been on the market for 60-plus days indicates an owner who's likely willing to negotiate for a year-end close. Reduced buyer traffic makes them more flexible on price, and cash buyers have a distinct advantage, as financing can be slower this time of year.
So, where are the specific opportunities this week? Let's break it down.
First, secondary market negotiations. Focus on quality assets in good locations that have been listed for 2 to 3 months. Motivated sellers may accept below-asking prices, especially from cash buyers or those with pre-approved financing.
Second, developer inventory. Some projects are clearing remaining units to close out the year. You might find payment plan enhancements or upgrades included. And with Q1 2026 launches approaching, there's pressure to move current inventory.
And third, a great opportunity for due diligence. It's the perfect time for unhurried off-plan project reviews. Construction sites can be visited, and sales centers are less busy, allowing for detailed discussions with the teams.
Let's not forget the luxury segment. It shows continued activity. Palm Jumeirah and Emirates Hills are still seeing deals close above 50 million. Ultra-high net worth buyers are simply less affected by holiday schedules.
And the rental market is also active as people negotiate January move-ins. We're seeing rates hold steady in prime locations, with some stabilization in mid-market areas after the significant growth of the past couple of years.
A quick word on logistics, Daniel. It's important.
Absolutely. Be aware of banking holidays. International wire transfers will experience delays, so plan for extra time. Mortgage applications will also process more slowly. Pre-approved financing or cash purchases are your best bet for a smooth transaction this week.
And remember, DLD offices are on modified schedules. It's wise to add a 7 to 10-day buffer to your expected closing timeline to account for any year-end processing delays.
Finally, a quick community spotlight. Jumeirah Village Circle maintains its consistent volume, representing a reliable cash flow investment. Business Bay remains a stable, liquid market for portfolio diversification.
And Dubai Hills Estate continues to attract families, while Palm Jumeirah's luxury segment proves immune to any seasonal slowdown, supported by its iconic status and limited supply.
So, to summarize, the holiday week offers distinct advantages for the informed investor. Transaction performance remains strong, and the unique buyer-seller psychology creates opportunities. Use this time for due diligence and strategic planning for 2026.
It's a time to be focused, not to switch off completely. To discuss your own strategy, you can connect with Parag Kundalwal at Consulta. The best way is to search for Parag Kundalwal on LinkedIn. Visit the website at consultadxb.com or call directly at +971 58 596 4631.
Dubai Daily is here for you Monday to Friday. Thank you for your continued engagement.